Roasted chicken with homemade barbecue sauce. Let me show you how easy this is to make. Like, subscribe, and let's dive into it. First things first, let's start by firing up the oven. I'm going to use some wood logs to create that classic taste. We'll pop them inside the oven, and then light them up using a lighter. Once the fire's going strong, it's time to start preparing the chicken. I'm using my outdoor wood-fired oven for this dish. But if you don't have one of these babies, your homemade oven will work just as well. You'll still end up with that perfect chicken. I guarantee it if you follow this recipe step by step. Alright, let's get started with the marinade. I'm using 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. With a brush, I'm gonna mix all those ingredients together, making sure it's all well combined. Now comes the fun part, giving that chicken a nice coat of marinade. Use the brush to make sure it's covered from top to bottom. So we're going to cover chicken with aluminum foil. Make sure to create a tight seal to trap in all the flavors. Then I'll use this pizza peel to spread the coals and make room inside the oven for the baking tray. We're gonna give this chicken about 10 minutes at 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Fast forward 1 hour later, and it's time to take out the chicken. Be careful, it's hot. Gently lift off the aluminum foil and let's have a look. This chicken looks and smells fantastic, but it's not quite finished cooking yet. The final step is to mix together 2 tablespoons of harissa sauce and 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Blend these 2 sauces together until they're well combined. The harissa will add a little extra heat to the mix. Now it's time to apply this sauce all over the chicken, using a wooden brush to ensure every inch is covered. Pop it back uncovered into the oven for around 10 minutes to reach that perfect internal temp of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, our chicken is done. The combination of the harissa and barbecue sauce, along with the seasoning, delivers an unforgettable flavor experience. That is today's video and my version of roasting whole chicken using my wood-fired oven. I can't wait to make it again. Take a look at this delicious chicken. The skin, crispy and spicy, has an amazing crunch. The meat is cooked to perfection and the smell is heavenly. So, the next time you're in the mood for something truly special, consider firing up your wood-fired oven and let the magic unfold. Your taste buds and your guests will thank you. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear what you think of it. Please feel free to leave a comment below. I've also just posted a video about the 5 reasons why you should buy or build a wood-fired oven. You can find the link in the description box and in the pinned comment. Please check it out and don't forget to subscribe. And check out the other videos I have on the screen.